So as you can see now, this is the coastal road. It's very noisy here, and I'm not sure you can hear me, but if possibly you could hear me. If the audio from this video is not good, I'm definitely gonna do a voiceover, but let's just continue. The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway is a 700-kilometer highway road which started in Lagos, Victoria Island, and is meant to pass through states such as Delta, Ondo, Ogun State, and many other states before ending at Cross River, Calabar. This coastal road was started in March 2024 under the Tinubu administration, and this coastal road is set to ease the traffic and also better the movement of the Nigerian transportation. Previously, traveling from Lagos to Calabar is expected to be at least 16 to 18 hours long journey, but after the construction of this coastal road, it's definitely gonna take less than 8 hours for you to get to Calabar from Lagos. Anyways, my name is Emmanuel Bernard and welcome back to my channel. I post videos concerning construction and also development. I'm doing a voiceover over this video because filming at these premises was very noisy and the wind was too much for the audio to be recorded on the video. The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway is also expected to be completed within the space of 8 to 10 years. This is a very massive construction which worth lots of trillions to be completed. Anyways, the federal government has made it clear to the public that the money needed for this construction is at hand, and also all the properties that were demolished are definitely gonna get some amount of compensation. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys the construction progress on this coastal highway and also how far the coastal road has gone. Though this coastal road was separated into different sections, which are there are people walking on the coastal road from Victoria Island and they are moving forward, and there are those ones around Jakonde axis also walking on the coastal road moving forward. And when you go to Ogun State, there are also contractors working over there. Though the equipment needed in these coastal road constructions might not be so cheap because of the high quality that this road needs to last for a very long time. And this is going to be a major road and it's definitely expected to have the best engineers working on them and also the best plan mapped out for it. The coastal road is going to consist of about 6 lanes and also a 12 lane, depending on which one is constructed first of all. The first phase of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, which stretches about 47.7 kilometers within Lagos, is expected to be completed first before other states will be completed. Anyways, the estimated revenue per kilometer is said to be 4 billion naira per kilometer. This is a very large amount of money depending on the construction that is being done. But anyways, if this is going to better the economy of the country, definitely it should be a good one, and we hope this construction don't get abandoned in the years to come. This 47-kilometer span in the length is within Lagos, and once it gets out of Lagos to Ogun State and Ondo, the contractor or the construction company handling this project is known as High Tech. And this High Tech company has been seen building lots of projects in Lagos as well. This major construction is not the usual one because this is an ocean work. The sand has to be taken from the ocean to fill the ocean, and those sand are also what they use in building the project, filling up the places which need some filling and also covering it up with granite to make it solid. The road type on this construction is known as cement reinforcement, which is definitely gonna last longer than the normal or regular road we use in Nigeria. I've been here a couple of times to film this environment, but I haven't come too deep to this construction site. If you notice, you will see that most of this area are filled with sand. You could barely see the ocean from here, and this span over thousands of hectares of land. And the length of this construction is massive compared to any other construction that's been done in Nigeria. I think this is the biggest construction ever. And also, if this construction move on to, because definitely Tinubu regime is definitely not gonna complete this construction. But anyhow it goes, with time to come, we're definitely gonna see how this construction move on, either well or bad, or fast or slow. But definitely it's gonna be a successful one. I will show you guys around the construction site so that you could see for yourself how the construction is going, because there are a lot of contractors and a lot of tractors working in this field. I'm really impressed with this massive construction I'm seeing, and I'm really impressed also. So I just want to take out time to show you guys this beautiful work of art that is going on within Lagos and is set to move on to other states very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Bernard. I'll take you on a tour now. Ah, oh, wait. Ah,